The Iowa Executive Council this morning approved an outside law firm to represent the state in the fetal heartbeat lawsuit. Attorney General Tom Miller had recommended the state retain the conservative Thomas More Law Center of Chicago to defend the suit in court. Miller recused himself from the case because of his own belief that the statute would undermine the right of women. Planned Parenthood and the American Civil Liberties Union of Iowa filed a suit claiming the law is unconstitutional. It prevents a woman from having an abortion once a heartbeat is detected. The Thomas More Society has said it will represent Iowa for free.
They've indicated to us very clear today that there would be no cost for expenses or legal work. So that's a good deal for the state. It's going to cost us nothing to defend that legislation.
A hearing is set for June 1st to decide if the new fetal heartbeat law should be put on hold. If not, the law goes into effect July 1st.